hello, my beautiful people. Easier one and only Lady J, my darling people. My own bunga people. Today topic now about one guy when I see one small boy will be say he did body house for this deeper life body house. I don't know what they call their school there. So I see when the mama they interview the boy. When I first see the boy, I say I wish boy just be like this. Even his skeleton don't even they come out for his body, like the way the boy body can't even be, not just good at all, you know. So when I see the video, the thing surprised me. Say, which kind who could do this kind thing to this small pikin? Now I can say him mama they ask him say, what happened to you? Why you still like this? Because when you they go school, because na body has now a day. When you dey go school, you dey okay, like you dey sound, you dey strong. Why I be say now you no come dey okay again? So na him the boy come begin dey tell him mama say for the school they dey suffer am. I say body house, they still dey suffer pikin for body house again. Say I remember saying na body house my brother go that time. So wetin you come make them now dey suffer this boy now? Na the part wey me I no understand, my people. He say that they suffer like he know they eat well. Say if he want talk, they'll tell am say they go beat him. So if mama say, mama now, mama say in go daydream, in go dey like she go dey see pikin for dream, if pikin go dey look am. He say if you see me in turn, me in look am, he say the pikin go just throw away eye. He say the dream they come every time, and na God just dey tell am say your pikin not dey okay, go school, make you go find that, go school. Because why I want to do this video be say mothers, if you get that kind sign, you get that kind dream, I beg, may you fast, you carry hand follow am. Because you don't really know, like say maybe na God then they tell you say your pikin not dey okay. Just see the way this boy, if not be say YouTube not dey allow all those my channel not for children. If not, I for put the video more and see am. Just see the way the taste of how this small pikin for body house, my people, for body house again. No, more and see am, more and listen when mama they ask a question.
What happened?
Because when I got my food as everything in that, every person has gone to pack their bags.
Everybody has gone to pack their bags.
Okay.
Before now, after they remove you from the hostels, your hostel to senior hostels, and brought you back, who was beating you now? And who, to speak of Mr. Wu? And who again? Who flog you? When you go to eat, what does he do to you?
He starts saying, where's my food? And you not say, go and wear your container. You're wearing something that is not the When I come back, I'll not say that food has finished.
And when food finishes, do you complain that there's no food for you to eat?
Yes.
What do they say when you complain? So, as we speak now, till I pick you now, you have not eaten.
Wow.
You have not eaten, eh? And when you talk, they will say they will wound you. You shouldn't tell your parents. Because you were weak in your class, they took you to senior classes, Abi. And what does the seniors do to you? Talk. Don't be afraid, you're at home. All the threats can't work now, you're at home. I paid for went and bought the bank draft. I asked them, this boy I'm bringing to school, who is in the house? Can he come to your school? They say yes, that they have others who will, and all the bed has Macintosh. I came with an extra Macintosh. So because he wheezed, you not took him to senior class. From senior class, people start mistreating him because he wheezed. Because he wheezed, he came back a skeleton. Because he wheezed, when he wheezed, he will not eat for the whole day. And a teacher in Deeper Life High School, Kumuyi's church, will open mouth and tell him, if I hear it, you go. Look at the lady I was watching on social media, a boy who committed suicide. He could not tell the mother anything until he took his life. Let's go to hospital. Let's go.
When mama go pick this boy for school, this boy they vomit. The boy don't feel even talk. He better they pain her because he don't eat. They no give am food. This boy just like now God save him. If the mama for not meet the boy alive. Which kind of wickedness? And they call themselves Christians. That is why sometimes I will just know people when they say they be Christian. They go get strong mind, able to forgive now problem for them. And they'll call themselves Christian. And they'll carry Bible, they'll say that they go church. The thing go, they surprise me. Deeper life, like they do this one so. Like the thing they surprise me really.
Let's go, watch what is happening. Let's go, look at him. Have Macintosh. I should take my own back home. I can look at him. He could barely sit down on his own.
He not fit sit down.
Look at him. Since he came back, he can't sit down. He can't sit down. He can't sit down. He can't sit down. For what? Since he came back, he can't sit down. He can't sit down. He cannot sit down since he came back. AC, please, because of his temperature. Let's put the AC on. The temperature is too high.
Yeah.
Throw up on that clothes.
God.
Yeah? Throw up there.
Which kind of people be this one?
He did not fall sick that he was reading. He did not lose weight, say, and had too much book because people weren't giving him school. That's why I need this video to get to Kumuyi. Let it get to Kumuyi. Let him know what is happening in the schools. Forget about it. You just report they send to you. Let parents tell you what is happening. Your teacher said that they don't have lunch. What do you call that thing? Midday meal. And they don't have midday meal because Kumuyi is the one giving them. Kumuyi, I start to ask you before the whole world, are you the one giving them midday meal or we paid for it?
Yeah.
That is what your teachers have brainwashed them with.
Boy, my people.
So when there's no lunch, the children sit, oh, the gift didn't come. Children should be crying about book, not hunger, that their parents have fully paid for. We bought violin. A student was using it until I went to school to protest. Some will say, leave him. He will in school. You better start talking to your children before you end up crying. Before you end up losing them. Yeah. I had a dream. He was waving me. Oh. That was what made me go to school. They told me I should not worry. It will not happen again. And that was the day the principal heard that he was being molested. That Ola was molested. Ola was putting has been trying to penetrate the woman screamed. If I had not gone based on that dream, I wouldn't have heard that. So people saying he will adjust. Would he adjust to molestation? I want to know. Would he adjust to the fact that he paid for the midday meal? Kumuyi, are you the one giving them afternoon food free? I want to know. Because if you are the one, I will beg you to stop it. Stop giving them afternoon meal free because they came back malnutrition. They came back malnutrition. If you are the one giving them afternoon food, please stop it. Let us pay. Anyone that we have not paid for, let other parents that will come and afford your victim.
My people, when I see like the thing, it surprised me. Now God just say make this woman go school. The video too long. I don't know if you play everything finish. Now God just say make this woman go school. Make go look how he pikin dey. I beg. When I go they put on a pikin for body ass, I beg go. Mona they look body ass. When they carry on a pikin go. I know say you know go feel no. Like you know go feel no what they go do to your pikin for there. But I beg. If you dream, say you not dream, see your pikin where I beg run go school. If not be say this woman quick go, if you not meet the pikin alive, if you not meet am alive, therefore make this pikin before this woman go reach there. Thank God. I say if this pikin not the fit sit down, e no dey fit sit down like pikin go sit down and e no dey fit. They want carry am go hospital and may not go pay me. Even food, you know, dey ibele door close. This one pikin dey hungry like, oh God. People are wicked. People are wicked. Like seriously. Thank God for this woman life. Say a quick go school. If not, this pikin for just pay me like that. So my darling people, thank you. Anything you think about this video, you can leave your comment for the comment section. Thank you everybody. Take care until I come your way next time again. Bye everybody. Bye. And always put thumbs up anytime you watch my video. Bye.